So we just discussed about roster form and set builder form. So this is the question. Question first. After discussing roster form and set builder form, write the following in set builder form. In set builder form. So this is the first set. 2, 4, 6, 8, keep on moving. Set B, 3, 9, 3, 6, 9, 12. This is your infinite set, this is your finite set. Then after we have a third set, C, 5, 25, 125, 625, 625 in this way. Fourth one is your D, 1, 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 4, 1 by 5 in this way. So fifth one is E, 1 comma minus 1. D, sixth part, only 3. So let's start how we write the, I'm giving you a minute, just try to write this set builder form for all these 6 sets. I'm giving you a minute. Try to write yourself, and then after a minute we will discuss the answers. Okay, let me explain you all the sets in the set builder form one by one. First one is set of even numbers. So we usually use X as a general element. You can use Y or Z as well, small z or small y. X is such that this semicolon is we read as such that X is such that X belongs to, here we take the second variable, help of second variable n, where n belongs to natural numbers. As I said, n stands for the natural number, it's a universal notation, so we can directly write capital N over here. So how this set work? Look at the board, how this set work. It basically starts from right to left. N is a number which is coming from natural numbers. N can take value 1, 2, 3, 4 till infinite numbers. So when your value of n is 1, when n is 1, it will become, let me correct, this is equal sign, please make a correction. When n is 1, it will become 2 and the value stored in x. When n is 2, the value get 4 and stored to x. So x is storing infinite number of values. Whatever values x is storing, that will become a set. So x is storing all the even number. How? If n is 1, it will be 2, stores to x. When n is 2, it will get 4, stores to x. So this total storage converts a set. Okay. So basically we are representing a set in a general way. We are not showing elements separated by commas. So how we write this set? This is x such that x is equals to, here the set is finite. So you must like remember that if we use n belongs to natural number, it will become an infinite set. So we have to use a limitation over n, that n must be less than 5, because we need only 4 multiples. First 4 multiples, that means n can take value 1, 2, 3 or 4. So n should be less than 5. Okay. So this will give you set B. So if I come to this, these are not multiple of 5. These are not multiple of 5. If you you can understand this set, these are not multiple of 5. So how should we write? X is such that x is equals to 5 raised to power n. Here we have an exponential form. When the value of n is 1, it will become 5. When the value of n is 2, it will become 25, and 5 square is 25, 5 cube 125, 5 raised to power 4, 65. So we should stop again n till 5. Okay. So here we have again infinite. How we write this set? X is such that x is equals to 1 upon n. N belongs to natural numbers. Simply, if you can realize, these are basically the proper fractions covering 1 as well. So when n is 1, it is 1, n is coming to 1 by 2, 1 by 3, likewise we are getting all proper fractions. Okay. So here we have to just stop for a second for this particular set. Whenever we have a set of 2 elements, there may or may not be a particular or specific relationship between these 2 elements. So how we go with the set with 2 elements? Listen me carefully. Whenever we have a set of 2 elements, we try to form a quadratic equation whose roots are, whose solutions are this. Because we are looking for a particular set. We are looking for a particular set whose value of x is coming out 1 or minus 1. So class 10th topic, polynomials. How we form a quadratic? X square minus sum of roots plus product of roots, right? So these are the 2 roots. If I sum them, I have 0. If I multiply them, I have minus 1. So what's the quadratic behind is quadratic. Quadratic whose zeros are 1 and minus 1 is this. Is that fine? So I'll write this as x such that x is a 0 of x square minus 1 is equals to 0. Okay. So say if you have 2 and 3, suppose another set 2 and 3. So how will write x such that x is a 0 of x square minus 2 and 3, their sum is 5, their product is 6. So this would be the equation. Okay. And here we place a linear equation. X is a 0, 0 or solution x minus 1, sorry x minus 3. Here we have linear, here we have quadratic. So whenever we have a set of single element or double element, we try to reserve the set over linear or quadratic. This is the best way to represent the set builder form. Okay, best way. So you are not supposed to think over different type of strategies, how we make a set, how we make a set to place a relation between the 2 elements only. So these are the straightforward set. Okay. I hope all these examples are clear to you, both of you. So next, okay, next move towards write another question. Write another question. Is this okay with all of you? So isko ek screenshot, take a screenshot and do it later. Okay. Okay. So now write down the next question. Write the following. Write the following in rose to form. Rose to form. First part, x such that x square is less than 9, x belongs to integers, less than square 9. B, second part, x such that x square minus 2 is equals to 0, x belongs to real numbers, natural numbers. Third, x is such that modulus of x is such that x belongs to integers and x is between minus 4 by 3 to 4 by 3. So these are the three sets. We have to look after the elements which fall under these particular conditions. Okay, again giving you a minute, just think over. Okay, let's come to the answers. Here we have to look after the numbers whose square is less than or equal to 9. The number can be negative as well as positive as coming from integers. So first it would be 0, 0 square is 0 which is less than 9, minus 1 and 1 both because their squares are 1 and which is less than 9, minus 2 and 2 squares are less than, no, we are not supposed to take, we can take minus 2 and 2, their squares are 4 which is less than 9, even we can take minus 3 and 3, right. So this should be the set rows to form of the set builder form. Okay, and here what should be the answer of the set? Yes, any one of you? Ahan, can you tell me the answer? Okay, Harish, आप बताएंगे? No. So if we solve this, basically x square minus 2 is equals to 0, x square is equals to 2, x is equals to plus minus root 2. Whenever we remove a square, we keep a root on the right side of the number, right? But these two numbers, root 2 or minus root 2, are not natural number. We have to keep our x as natural number. These are basically irrational number. Root 2 irrational है ना, you have done in your class 10th. So root 2 and minus root 2 both are irrational. So but the set is asking for a natural number which is the solution of this quadratic. So we don't have any value of x which is a natural number and a solution of this quadratic. So this must be an empty set. This must be an empty set, okay? And if this belongs to real number, suppose this belongs to real number, then this set has root 2 and minus root 2 as solution, okay? But this is only when the set is real number. So here we have to remove root 2 or minus root 2 because these are irrational numbers and not a part of this set. Here we have to take integer between this and this. So if you solve minus 1 4 by 3, it would minus point something and this is 1 point something. So 0, 1, minus 1 and 1, after 1 you have 1.3, 1.3 something, not 1.3, 1.3 something, and here you have minus 1.3 after minus 1. So what are the integers between? So integers are minus 1, 0 and 1. So the rows to form would be minus 1, 0 and 1. Order you can interchange. Order hardly matters in a set basically. So you can take the elements in any order. Main thing is all the elements should be present, relative elements should be present in the set. Okay. So likewise you can go for further question bank for rows to form and set builder form. I have taken few examples which are in hot question bank, which are from hot question bank. So let's move to the next. We are left with two more types, equal sets and disjoint sets. Equal sets and disjoint sets. Disjoint set. In types of sets we have done like finite set, infinite set, null set, and one more set is I have left with singleton set. Singleton set. अभी करते हैं क्या होता है ये singleton set, equal set, disjoint set. So equal set are basically two sets are said to be equal if they have exactly same element. Yes, bache?
If two sets have same elements.
Yes, yes. If they have exactly same elements. Exactly same elements. Example A, set of even numbers. B, set of multiple of 2. Multiple of 2. Both are same. Both consist same set. So A must be same as B. Right? So whenever we call two sets as disjoint, two sets.
Intersection B is equal to null set.
Sorry?
A intersection B is equal to null set.
Right. But so far we haven't started about intersection. So we are just briefing the definition without using that particular word. Two sets are said to be disjoint if have no common element. No common element should be there. Each and every element are different of both the set. For example, a set of even no element should be there. एक भी नहीं होना चाहिए. वो दूसरा डेफिनेशन है, मैं बताती हूँ. सेट ऑफ ऑड नंबर्स. So these two are disjoint sets. Okay, Han? These two are disjoint set. Singleton set. Disjoint set का. Yes. A set with single element. A set with single element is called singleton set. For example, A is equals to set of even prime number. So this is a singleton set. Even prime number is what? 2 only? 2. So this is a singleton set. Another example, set of element numbers neither prime nor composite. A number which is neither prime nor composite. Yes, which is the number?
0,
1. 1. 1 is, why not prime? Because for prime a number must have 2 factor. 1 has only factor 1. For composite must have more than 2 factor. So 1 has only 1 factor. So basically 1 is neither prime nor composite. So under this category we are having a set with single element 1, right? Likewise we can have another example also, a set only one element. In this way we have to build many, we can build many examples. X such that x minus 3 is equals to 0. So x belongs to natural numbers. So this set consists only 3. Okay. So these types of sets are singleton set. So far we have discussed a theory or examples based on that theory till exercise 1.2. Okay. So you can go through with the NCERT till 1.2. If you have any doubt you can ask right now. If you have any doubt you can ask. As we are moving towards subsets. We are moving towards subset.